Because we already talked about healthy and unhealthy foods. We know that unhealthy food is bad for our body. But kids, did you know that it is also important that we eat different kind of healthy foods every day? We will not grow strong and healthy if we always eat the same kind of food. Kids, did you know that there are three major food groups? The first one is Go Foods. Please say Go Foods. Go Foods. Next, we have Glow Foods. Say Glow Foods. And lastly, we have Grow Foods. Say Grow Foods. And each of these food groups have different role in our body. But today, we are only going to talk about one specific group, and that is the Go Foods. Everybody, say Go Foods. Go Foods are foods that gives us energy. It provides fuel to our muscles and brains. This type of foods gives us energy to run, to dance, and to jump. These help us to be active at school. If we don't eat Go Foods, then we will feel tired. Do you want to know what are the examples of Go Foods? First, we have bread. Say bread. I'm sure most of you loves to eat bread. Our next example is rice. Everybody say rice. We always eat rice to give us energy for our everyday work. Our third example is pasta. Everybody say pasta. We love to eat pasta. Next, we also have cereals. Can you say cereals? Cereals. Next is noodles. Say noodles. Everybody, noodles. Next, we have potato. Say potato. And lastly, we have corn. Can you say corn? Corn. Now let's review the example of Go Foods. Repeat after me. Bread, rice, pasta, cereals, noodles, potato, corn. Well done! Now, to make sure that you really understand the Go Foods, let's have a quiz. Now, can you tell me which is Go Food? Is it carrot or corn? Can you tell me the answer? Yes, the answer is corn. How about this? Rice or beans? The answer is rice. Good job. How about this one? Fried chicken or spaghetti? The answer is spaghetti. And lastly, check this out. Potato or tomato? The answer is potato. Very good. Good job. Now always remember, it is important that we eat different kind of healthy foods every day.